Hi guys, today we're checking out a brand new community in Plant City. I know, Plant City, rural, nothing but strawberries, but it is definitely up and coming. It is happening. The entire street that we drove by is full of new construction, so it's only a matter of time before Plant City puts itself on the map. Coming in. Beautiful, very affordable. The prices still start in the low to mid 300s. Capital of the strawberries, beautiful community, luxurious clubhouse, low HOA fees, low CDD fees. Reach out with questions. This is just one of the models available. There is a lot more models available. We will be more than happy to assist you. And don't forget, you get extra closing money by working with Kim and I. And just want to say a quick hi to Ty and Denise. Bye guys.